Hi everybody, welcome to Tips from Stella, and this is your burst lifting workout. I'm going to be sharing with you 6 moves that you can do anywhere, anytime to help lift your bust. These exercises will not help you give you a bigger bust, so if that is what you want, then this may not be the right video for you. But if you like a lift, these are the best exercises that I personally do. And I'll also be sharing with you throughout the video other extra tips that I use to help support those babies to fight against gravity, you know. So we are marching in sport right now. We are warming up our body a little bit. We are heating it up and warming up those muscles, preparing them for these moves. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. So we are going to get into the first move, and that is isometric chest presses. So what you want to do is to bring your hands forward. We are going to do each move for 1 minute. So you want to start pressing hard onto your hands and release onto your palms. Press and release. Press and release. So pull your abs towards the spine so that you keep them engaged as well, and release. Press and release. You can also do it like this: press and release, press and release. So you press hard and release, and while you're pressing, you feel those muscles, not only the chest muscles strengthening up and lifting your bust, but also your arms and shoulders as well. Such a simple move, yet very effective. Press and release. Press, release, keep breathing. Pull those abs towards the spine, feeling good about yourself and picturing those babies getting lifted up. So let's just do 2 more. Press, release, press and release. And the second move, we are going to be pressing and releasing, but while raising our hands and bringing them back down. So we are adding on that lift with raising up the hands as well as that press down. So press and lift up and press, come back down. Pull your abs towards the spine, just an extra to get them engaged, and come back down. I guess you see those muscles tightening up while you press and release. Up and down. Press. We have some more seconds to go, and come back down. Again, you can do it like this: up and down. Press just 1 more time and come back down. And moving on to the third move, you want to bring your hands forward and press them as you bring them towards your chest, and release as you bring them forward. So press, pull towards your chest, release, press them forward, press towards your chest, feeling your chest muscles tightening, your entire upper body actually. Press and release, press and release. You want to press, pull towards your chest and release. Press towards your chest and release. Press and release. Keep breathing. Press and release. So let's do 2 more. Press and release. Give me 1 more. Press towards your chest and release. And next we want to do an elbow press. So you want to bring your hands at the back of your head, and we are going to begin pressing forward and back. Press forward and back. Press forward and back. Press forward and back. Remember, 1 minute of each. Press forward, back. Press. I want you to imagine using just your hands, your elbows, to bring the hands forward and back. press, back, and back. Still going, about 10 seconds to go. Press and back. So give me just 2 more. Press hard, bring forward and back, and 1 more. Press forward and back, and you want to relax it out. Moving on to the next move, you want to do elbow rows. So you will bring your hands forward and push back your elbows and push back, pressing onto your fist, push back and push back, push back. Keep breathing. Forward and back, forward, press back and back, and back, excuse me, back and back and back and back. Give me 2 more and back, 1 more and back. So moving on to our last move, which is also going to be an extra bonus as our stretching. So you want to bring your hands back and you want to begin raising them up and down, and up and down, raise and down, and down, and down, raise chest forward, raise down, and back, down, and back. So you can do as many or as less of these as you want, depends on what your body can manage. And back, up and back. Give me 3 more. Up and back. 2 more. Up and back, up and back. And you want to relax it out. 6 effective moves, people, that you can do anywhere, anytime, in your bathroom, at work. I always find myself doing one of the moves, especially this. I make sure I do this move if I've not managed to do all, at least once a day. And it really gives you also shape with those arms, not just the chest. And well, that is just about it for today, people. Try these exercises for about 2 to 3 weeks and let me know what you think. Let me know if you get any results. I'll be excited to hear back from you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment if you have any questions or something to say. Don't forget to connect up with me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, because I do share lots of wellness and useful tips over there too, people. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Hit the bell button so that every time I upload a new video, you receive notifications. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in the next video, and don't forget to love yourself first. Bye bye.